Introducing the Powertac T2A. This light features an LED Cree XPG R5 with 20 plus years of runtime. The T2A is an excellent light for everyday use and runs on 2 AA batteries. The maximum output is 220 lumens. The light will also strobe at 220 lumens. It features a momentary forward click tactical switch, hard anodized anti-abrasive finish, type 3. The T2A also features a programmable memory function. It uses a smooth reflector for maximum light output and a highly focused beam to ensure maximum distance. The lens features ultra clear tempered glass with an anti-reflective coating. The body design of the T2A is streamlined and features tactical knurling for a firm grip. It also features reverse polarity protection, features a removable steel pocket clip. The body of the T2A is constructed from aircraft grade aluminum, water resistant to IPX8 standards, as well as impact resistant up to 10 meters. The maximum beam distance is 220 meters. You'll get 0.2 lumens in the Firefly mode for 678 hours. On the low mode, 24 lumens for 22 hours. On the mid-level setting, 90 lumens for 5 hours. And on the maximum output setting of 220 lumens, you will get 75 hours of runtime. In the strobe mode at 220 lumens, you will get 2.5 hours of runtime. All Powertac products feature a lifetime warranty with no questions asked. Please visit us at www.fighterflighttactical.com.